In this technical tutorial, I'll be covering all the physical aspects of our robot. As you can see here, our robot has been 3D printed. This was made by B.O.X. He made us a model for every aspect of the robot. He made us main body area here. So you can see a ramp which connects onto the main body, and the upper level here which has not been connected onto the main body. As you can see here, the sensors, our ultrasonic sensor, which will range find, is right at the front. This is stored away by a little gap inside here in front of the motors. This was made in our model directly. We ended up having to cut a little bit here because our model had a sizing error, as we did not account for this. Another key feature of our robot is the four-wheel design. We have four motors which all push. As you can see here, we also have wheels on each one. These wheels are quite good as they have a small diameter which increases torque, and they have very grippy rubber tires. Another key feature of this robot on the bottom here is our color sensor. This here will detect if there's any change in color within our arena when we're in the battle. This would be used to help detect the edge. As you can see here, what was planned to be modular with these little indents here, it's hard to see because it's all black. This was meant to slide nicely into this hole right in here. But this ended up being an issue because we made a measuring error when modeling. This meant that these little indents here did not line up properly with our holes. In order to compensate for this, we sanded these down to size and decided to glue them into here, into the little gaps there in between the motors.